How to stop your Mac from updating itself automatically. It's a really annoying thing to do, and if you're anything like me and you don't want to go any higher than, I'll show you on my Mac, I've got version 12.6.5. I don't want to go up to Ventura because as a Mac specialist I actually don't like Ventura at all. I think it's a horrible bit of kit. So you might not want to go up to Ventura or up to any other operating system from where you are. So how to turn that off? If you're using 10.15, which is Catalina or above, you simply need to go to your system settings window there, and then all you need to do is you need to go to your software update icon here, and in the software update icon you then need to click on the advanced button. If you've got a tick in this box here, remove it, and then you click on the advanced button and remove any ticks that you may have in here, like I have done for mine. If you have 10.13 or 14, which is High Sierra or Mojave, you'll need to do it slightly differently. In that case, you then just go to your Apple logo and click on App Store and do it there. Or, better still, go to System Preferences, where you will actually see an applet logo here for the App Store, so you can do it there as well. But 10.15 and above, the applet logo for the App Store was removed from here, and you do it in software updates. Okay, I hope that's of some help. Stay well and enjoy your Mac. Bye for now.